People want to see what is going on live. Even Supreme Court of India has gone live on constitutional hearings. So the process of legislation has also to be in a way go live. People should know what is going on, how the laws are framed. Otherwise, आप तो बैकग्राउंड में रहते हैं, लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कानून बन गया, बनाया कैसे है. लोग सोचते हैं कि भाषण दे दिया कानून बन गया. भाषण देने के बाद जो मेहनत करना पड़ता है ऑफिसर्स को, एंड द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लॉ एंड जस्टिस, देयर इज अ डिपार्टमेंट कॉल्ड लेजिस्लेटिव डिपार्टमेंट. मैं तो लॉ मिनिस्टर रहा हूं, तो वहां वो बैकग्राउंड में कितना काम करता है, वो गुमनाम, उसको कोई पहचानता नहीं है. ड्यूरिंग बजट, along with the officials of the finance ministry, the legislative department officials are also locked up in a room. They can't meet the persons of their family. लोग तो सरकार को, members of parliament, members of assembly, members of council, they think that they are the people who speak and frame law. Of course, they are the elected representative of the people, but the background, that is extremely important, because that is the backbone. So if we fail in legislative process, in a way it will also lead to failing in democracy. इसलिए आई एम श्योर आपको ज्यादा पाठ पढ़ाने का जरूरत नहीं है. आप लोग तो, most of the officers here are very senior officials. You are extremely well versed with the system. I am only coming here to migrate from this paper work, from this conventional style to the modern process. But I'm just sensitizing on the way in which we all have to come together as a team. फिर हमारा पार्लियामेंट में क्या हुआ है इसका भी आप शेयर कर सकते हैं. लोकसभा, राज्यसभा में किस तरीके से हम काम कर रहे हैं, so that we can share our experiences also. कभी कभी हमारा जो MPs है, मैंने खुद देखा है, some of the MPs are extremely well versed with the system. When I came to parliament, I used to get up at 6 o'clock because I have to be there in the table office, in the notice office by 6:40, 6:50, because 7 o'clock the notice office opens, then I have to give my application. अब 0 hour में मेरा application डालना है. It used to be so difficult. So I used to tell now the new MPs, you are lucky. The moment you are elected, first 7 days, you are well versed with the system. Everything is available in your laptop, in your palm top, mobile.